Hi,
Hi,
Neela. Hi, good to see you. You're
thank
right.
you so much.
Thank
Good
you
to
so
see
much
you
for
too.
coming. You are, very, very, if I have to say, very beautiful.
Thank you. My pleasure.
So, and the first time we are doing live with a Assamese actress and Kathak dancer. So, a pleasure for us.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. And thank you so much for opening your outlet in Assam
Hmm.
because I'm a big fan of biryani and thank you so much. Yeah, I'm the most happiest person.
I think, I'm so glad that you like biryani and Assamese people like biryani. Although, a lot
Uh,
of time.
yeah, I think nobody hates biryani. In fact, the people I've met like all over India, abroad, if anybody I ask, they love biryani. Yeah.
No, no, I know. But I think, sometimes actresses and the way you are, sometimes people avoid carbs and all that. But
Yeah, that's true. That's true because we need to maintain our diet. But whenever like I feel like having carbs, my first preference is biryani. Before I used to cook because I love biryani so much. When biryani by kilo was not in, in Guwahati, in my state. So now it's good that, I can order and have whenever I want.
of course, and hope you are keeping safe. Everyone in Guwahati, your relatives, friends, you all keeping safe.
Yes, by God's grace, we are safe till now, and just hoping for the beautiful days to come
To come.
back again. And yeah, that's what. But we have lost, many near and dear ones,
Hmm.
like some known people of my fraternity from the classical, I
Oh,
mean, dance and music line. Yeah, from Delhi, like most, some of my known people have, lost their lives. It's very sad, actually.
no, no, of course.
What we can do
It's
now, yeah.
but I think we're just hoping that COVID second wave is tapering in India, and maybe in a month or so, it should be
Bilkul,
behind.
bilkul. That's
So
what, yeah.
you had a very classical, if I can use the word, background and childhood, right? I think you've been a Kathak dancer since very.
Yes. Yeah, actually, I don't know how much you know about me. I'm very blessed to born in a family where,
Yes,
dance and music is my life because my
yes,
mom is my guru. She's also a Kathak dancer.
yes,
Yeah, my father is also a vocalist.
right.
So I have been doing Kathak since when I was 3, and now almost I have completed 25 years of this journey.
And you still love it, right? It's still, but you've not
Yeah,
dropped.
yeah, dance is my life.
Uh, so,
Can't live without it.
so you still practice Kathak like few hours a day? How does it work?
Yeah, I mean, that's a regular routine of,
Regu-
mine, because I have my classes
Hmm.
now because of lockdown, like every day I'm taking online classes, a few of my students who live abroad, and there's my institution, which my parents have established, and now I'm also a part of it. So there are group classes in the weekend, and of course in the morning it's my time. In the morning I do my own riyaz for at least 2 to 3 hours. Like I try to find a time for myself in a day.
And I think we should congratulate you. I think you recently got married as well.
Yes, in February. Yeah, completed 3 months.
3 months. So how? So I think you have a lot full on your plate. Marriage, Kathak, acting.
Hmm. Yeah, but because I have got a very supportive partner, I would say, my
Okay.
husband, and we know each other for the last 11 years.
Wow.
And so, like after marriage, it feels the same because
It
my
feels
parents also they live nearby. So, yeah,
it
it's
worked
nice.
out.
It's a different life. I'm enjoying my married life because I've got a lot of time now. We both have got a lot of time to spend together because of this lockdown.
No,
Yeah.
no. I think you have such a bright eyes. You're always smiling. I think you must be very very happy from within, right? That's how.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
And and what do you do? Do you like what kind of foods? Because we're a food company. What kind of food you like? Is there
Mhm.
some native food in Assam? like some cuisines you want to
Yeah,
tell
of
us?
course. ऐसे बोलने से तो ऐसा होगा कि क्योंकि मैं Assamese, of course, I love my own culture food. I like Assamese food because Assamese खाना ऐसा होता है, it's very light, it's less spicy, and very healthy, I would say.
Okay.
आपने कभी Assamese cuisine to taste नहीं किया होगा,
No,
आपको आना चाहिए अभी.
I've tried in Delhi, but I've not had the authentic one. So I think because of lockdown, I've not been able to come. But I'll come at the first
Yeah.
opportunity in Guwahati.
Yeah. So of course, घर का खाना is one of my favorite food, and उसके अलावा I love biryani. That's ऐसा नहीं है कि बिरयानी में किलो के साथ मैं आपके साथ हूँ तो मैं you can ask my friends, my family, they know me like
Yeah.
when I used to when I was in 8th or 9th standard, मेरा पहला performance था दिल्ली में,
Okay.
कमानी ऑडिटोरियम में. देन हम लोग एक होटल पे ठहरे हुए थे. देन इट वाज इन पहाड़गंज, लाइक लॉन्ग बैक, आई थिंक इट्स 2006. या सो तब मुझे दिल्ली का जो बिरयानी वो खाने के लिए मौका मिला था. आई रिमेम्बर इन क्लास, आई वाज इन क्लास 8. तो आई रियली लव द टेस्ट ऑफ द बिरयानी. उसके बाद हम लोग शायद वहां पे परफॉर्मेंस के लिए 2-3 दिन थे. उसके बाद पंडित बिरजू महाराज मेरे गुरु, हाँ, तो उनके साथ मेरा एक वर्कशॉप भी था. तो आई स्टेड ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 7 to 10 days इन दिल्ली. तो आई हैड लंच डिनर सिर्फ बिरयानी 10 दिन. एंड उसके बाद से मैं बिरयानी का, एक्चुअली दिल्ली का बिरयानी खा के मैं फैन बन गई. एंड आई टेस्टेड बिरयानी बाय किलो, आई थिंक 4-5 years back in
Wow.
Delhi only.
Okay.
वो कनॉट प्लेस में. हाँ, मेरी एक फ्रेंड रहती है, माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड. तो शी एंड हर हस्बैंड मुझे उन लोगों ने खिलाया फर्स्ट टाइम बिरयानी बाय किलो. एंड उसके बाद तो
Thank you so much.
हाँ, I was expecting कि कब when biryani by kilo is going to come to my city.
So I hope you keep visiting our Guwahati outlet for dining and keep ordering from us. Now we are there.
Yes, of course.
So आपके favorite like biryani by kilo, let me give you a brief introduction for the audience who are at Assamese audience.
Sure. There are lots of people joining in. Yeah.
So by kilo, we have 50 outlets in India now, and we are growing very fast. We are in most of North India, West, East. We're going south now. We're the only company to make fresh biryani on each order, and we deliver it in the same handi in which it is dum cooked. So ekdam fresh hai, ekdam hygienic hai, ekdam delicious hai. And we're the only company to do Hyderabadi, Lucknowi, Calcutta, different styles of biryani, kebabs, korma. And we believe that biryani is India's heritage, and BBK is doing it in the authentic way and taking it all over India. And once COVID opens, to the rest of the world as well. So, that's something we were very proud of, and very proud to come in East, in Guwahati, and we'll be going to many more cities in East part of India. Yeah.
Yes. Congrats. And lots of people from my city, they're joining in. They're saying in Assamese, look, like they're asking me. So I need to speak something in Assamese also, please. To let them know about biryani by kilo. যোনে যোনে চাই আছে মোক ধন্যবাদ. আৰু সকলোকে মই অনুৰোধ কৰিব বিচাৰিছো, আপোনালোকে যদি বিৰিয়ানী ভাল পায় তেতিয়াহলে বিৰিয়ানী বাই কিলো তেওঁলোকৰ আউটলেট আমাৰ গুৱাহাটীত খোলা হৈছে. আৰু মই তাতে ভিজিট কৰিছো. মই বিৰিয়ানী খুব বেছি ভাল পাওঁ. আপোনালোকে যদি অৰ্ডাৰ কৰে খাব পাৰিব. একদম ফ্ৰেছ এটা হান্ডিত বনাই দিয়ে, যিটো খুব হাইজেনিক হয় আৰু খুবেই ধুনীয়া খাবলৈ.
I think it sounded so melodious and so delicious coming out from your mouth. You make it sound so melodious. Thank you so much. But tell me, आप इतना मुझे seriously बताइए, you have to बताइए how you are so happy. You have to tell the secret to the world. Is it dance?
Oh, I'm so happy. Yeah, I keep smiling. I like to stay happy and keep everyone around me happy. Maybe that's my mantra of life.
So So, and also, I think maybe I think it has to do with the fact that you're an artist. I think you've seen art,
Yeah.
music, maybe it
Yes,
fulfills
yes.
also, right? I think
Yes, it gives you the utmost satisfaction and utmost, physical plus mental happiness.
happiness.
So, yeah.
But but अभी कथक बहुत बच्चे अभी when they start, of course you were born into a family, were blessed that your parents were into Kathak. But do you see a lot of other children who are from families who don't have parents from dance backgrounds
Yes,
take up
yes,
Kathak this now?
yes.
Quite
So, we always encourage children, like if their parents are not interested, or like if their parents were interested but they couldn't fulfill their, dreams, but they want their children to come and dance. I feel that dance is for everyone. It's not
for
like that.
everyone.
Ki, So just the movements free your soul. It makes your mind, your body, your soul so relaxed and so happy. और उसके अलावा अगर आपको अच्छे से मतलब बहुत पसंद है classical dance को, there are 8 to 9 classical dance forms. So if you love any classical dance form, you should come ahead and start learning, because there is no age bar. I would say, because my mother, in her family, she didn't have anyone taking dance as a career, but she was the first one to start.
Okay.
And like after marriage, she started her formal training, and now she's one of the established artists. So that's the big example I can give from my life, that age is not a bar. And, you know, whenever you wish, you should immediately start and see how life changes.
It's a great expression of whosoever you are. Art is a great expression and dance is great. पर आप कभी बॉलीवुड गाने असमीज गानों पे विदाउट कथक वैसे भी फ्री होके डांस करते हैं क्या?
हाँ, एक्चुअली करती हूँ बिल्कुल. कभी घर में कुछ गेट टुगेदर्स होती है तो बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स लगा के ऐसे फ्री स्टाइल डांसिंग तो करते हैं, पर यूजुअली लाइक ऑन स्क्रीन और व्हेनेवर आई एम ऑन स्टेज और समथिंग,
People expect you to do this.
that's inbuilt. वो पूरा मेरा रग रग में भर गया है कथक. थोड़ा तो मूवमेंट कथक हो ही जाता है.
I'm sure. I think even if you do a freestyle dance, I'm using the word loose, then also your move is so graceful क्योंकि आपने इतनी practice करी हुई है. It will somewhere come out. That Kathak will come out.
बिल्कुल,
Grace in
बिल्कुल. And Kathak is one of the classical dance form which is so globalized, and it's understood by the common people because it's very natural. The hand movements or the abhinay part of Kathak is very natural, and common people can also get attracted and get connected.
So is it for people who might not know? Is it lot of course body movement, but it is lot of face movements as well, eyes movement, face.
Yeah. Abhinay is a important part of Kathak. Facial expressions with movements, and and Abhinay. I think people love Abhinay. और कथक का एक बहुत अच्छा है कि वहाँ पे हमारा जो लैंग्वेज है वो हिंदी है. There are Sanskrit words also. We do Sanskrit related items, and Urdu भी है क्योंकि Kathak is the only dance form which was used in the courts. So it has both Hindu and Muslim, touch, both the religions. हाँ. But 80% of it's all Hindi. So Hindi is the national language और सबको हिंदी से जुड़ाव है, लगाव है, तो it's people understand it very easily.
And I think you performed in many different countries, right? Your Kathak performance.
Yeah.
So you can give the audience idea how many countries you performed?
I have toured, I think, 12 countries.
12 countries, 12 different countries.
Yeah, till now, yeah.
And a great job.
Very nice experience.
And also you are an actress. How, but do you, of course you must be loving acting as well. But
yeah.
First love or your acting side में या you enjoy acting
हाँ,
as well?
Actually, जैसे मैंने बोला कि कथक में तो अभिनय है ही, तो अभिनय भी मेरे अंदर है, डांस में है. My mother was also an actress, but she took up dance as, the main career. So, what happened कि जो इंडस्ट्री है हमारा यहाँ पे, तो फैमिली के साथ एक आना जाना था. sub directors ho. So we knew the people of the industry, so that way I used to get proposals for acting in movie, music videos, when I was like in ninth, 10th, when I was in college. So that time I never thought that I'll do movies or something, because I was so into dance and studies. But somehow I loved Abhinay. So my parents also never forced me, or never demotivated कि नहीं तुम सिर्फ डांस ही करो, एक्टिंग मत करो, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. दे लेट मी फ्री. तो फिर मुझे एक बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला था एक फिल्म के लिए, वीडियो फिल्म. उसका स्टोरी वगैरह सारा कुछ अच्छा लगा मुझे. तो व्हेन आई वाज इन I think HS second year, like my 12th boards. So that year I did my first video film, and people like really loved it. They accepted me as an actor on screen. Well, I was only on stage before that. So उसके बाद एक्टिंग लाइन में भी आ गई. तो फिर बहुत साल, 10 साल तो मैंने बहुत काम किया डांस के साथ, एक्टिंग का भी, मतलब दोनों साथ साथ में. बट नाउ फॉर द लास्ट 4-5 years आई हैव अ लिटिल थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लिया, मतलब पूरा ब्रेक नहीं, मतलब डांस की दुनिया में ज्यादा आ गई, क्योंकि आई थिंक डांस इज माई my permanent profession, my life. So बहुत ज्यादा टाइम देना पड़ता है एक्चुअली. क्लासिकल डांस हो, म्यूजिक हो, बहुत साधना है इसमें, बहुत ज्यादा समय देना पड़ता है. तो इसीलिए थोड़ा सा अभी एक दो काम करती हूँ बीच बीच में. आई डू सम म्यूजिक वीडियोस, आई डू एड शूट्स वगैरह. If I get some good movies, of course I'll do that. But now I'm into dance more.
No, I'm sure. See, I think because that is something who you are. Everything else can come and go.
Yeah.
What else you do in your free time? Like, what do you like other than dance and movies and biryani? What else?
To cook. I like to cook. Yeah, I like homemaking. I love to do some home decors. Mostly I like to cook. I read books. Okay. And listening to music. Yeah.
देखते हैं आप नेटफ्लिक्स वगैरह ज्यादा?
नेटफ्लिक्स तो अभी, पहले इतना टाइम नहीं मिलता था क्योंकि काफी टूर्स वगैरह होते थे. तो आफ्टर रिहर्सल्स एंड ऑल आई कम बैक एंड आई गेट सो टायर्ड, सो I sleep. But now, yeah, because we are at home, so we're getting a lot of time to watch. And और बहुत नॉलेज भी बढ़ता है, और बहुत इतना अच्छे अच्छे आजकल सीरीज वगैरह है, मूवीज है नेटफ्लिक्स पे. इट्स अ रूटीन नाउ. एवरी नाइट आई नीड टू वॉच एटलीस्ट something. And tell me something about you.
Buchi, you ask me, then I can tell you.
Like, so how did this dream come, and how did you think about Biryani by Kilo? Because I want to know the story behind.
Thank you for asking. So I'm a Delhi boy. I'm an engineer from IIT BHU. I did my master's from US. Then I was in IT business for a very long time in India and Singapore. Then I was in finance. I was funding a lot of businesses in India, Asia. तो मुझे हमेशा लगता था कि इंडिया से एक चेन नहीं है वर्ल्ड वाइड, लाइक मैकडोनल्ड्स है या चिपोटले है. तो हमारी इंडिया की, मतलब जब लंदन जाता था, सिंगापुर, तो मैं रहा हूँ काफी साल, तो बटर चिकन या चिकन टिक्का, बट वी डोंट रियली हैव अ डिश which is our own, which the whole world knows in an authentic way, in a real way. So इस सेट की जो हमने बिरयानी देखी हैदराबाद में, बाकी जगह, तो लोग बड़े पॉट्स में बनाते थे, तो उसको फिर धीरे धीरे पूरा बेचते रहते. तो हमने कहा उसी हांडी में बनाएंगे, ऑथेंटिक वे में जो रेसिपीज हैं, लखनवी, कलकत्ता, हैदराबादी, डिफरेंट बिरयानीज, और डिलीवर करेंगे विद द मोस्ट ऑथेंटिक इंग्रेडिएंट्स, रेसिपीज, एवरीथिंग, and take it pan India and to the rest of the world. Like, it is India's time for taking its dish in the right way to the world. And I have lived in New York, I've lived in Singapore, and I know these businesses. So it has to be done in the right way, ki same quality, consistency in every outlet, every place it comes. But if it comes, it's a one pot meal. It's right. It's better than pizza because it's gluten free. It's healthier. It has spices, flavors. It's our heritage. we want to take it. I want to take it to the world. In a way, I and my co-founder Kaushik Roy, we both want to do it, and we have succeeded till Mate. In a way, we are almost 100. All actually company now, 50 outlets, and we want every Indian to be proud when they go to any part in India or New York or Singapore and eat the same biryani or kebabs.
Yes, yes, yes. Actually, that's the most important point, because आप लोगों ने जो quality, consistency वो बरकरार रखी है ना, वो सबसे हाँ. And I've always heard good things about Biryani by Kilo, like from every जो भी बाहर रहते हैं. अभी तो असम में स्टार्ट हुआ है, गुवाहाटी में, पर मेरे फ्रेंड्स लोग जो बाहर रहते हैं तो सबके मुंह में तो एक बार तो सुनने को मिलता ही है, when it comes to food. And now I'm very proud, yeah. So I'm also a part of Biryani by Kilo.
और अगर आपने हमारे कबाब्स नहीं ट्राई करे तो हमारे मटन कलौटीज, चिकन कबाब्स, वेज कबाब्स are very popular.
I tried a few starters. Yeah, those were also amazing.
No, I think hearing from you makes it even more better. I think the way you say it and your eyes, because I think you're so kind and so positive. It comes out so. You want to take questions from or comments from the screen? A lot of people are sending you messages.
Yeah. आपके लिए भी एक क्वेश्चन है, सर. I want to ask you one thing, that the meat used in biryani is all halal or not? Okay. वो आप
No, I think yeah, so we'll technically
yeah, lot of questions. Yeah, many people are saying hi. Yeah, hi to everyone. Okay. Yeah, hi Kapil. Yeah, he's my friend's husband, Kapil, who introduced me to Biryani by Kilo.
Oh.
Thanks, Kapil.
Thanks, Kapil.
Yeah, he's there. Yeah. So when it's going to start in Hyderabad? Somebody's asking.
In the Bangalore, we are starting next month, and Hyderabad in the next few months. By the end of this year, we should be in most of South.
Yeah.
तो आप दिल्ली आते रहते हैं? Do you come to Delhi, Gurgaon?
Yeah. I used to visit quite often, like before the lockdown, because Kathak Nagari Delhi में ही है. Yeah. So my guru Pandit Bijay Maharaj ji, he lives there. So I visit for some workshops, some classes, and for shows वगैरह के लिए. और मेरा official काम वगैरह भी, क्योंकि सारे office वगैरह दिल्ली में है. Ministry of Culture, ICCR, Sangeet Natak Academy. So I keep visiting,
So next time you're in Delhi, you have to allow me to take you to our outlet there. And
Sure. I would love to. I would love to. So in Delhi, there are how many outlets?
So Delhi, we have around 18 outlets. Delhi NCR, we say Delhi, Gurgaon, Noida, so Faridabad. So we have 18 outlets.
I've been to the Connaught Place. Connaught Place, I think I've been twice.
Okay.
And we have ordered, at home also. Delhi mein.
Most of our outlets are delivery outlets. We have few dine-in, but most of our in India are delivery outlets. Before we go, I think I want you to tell people a little about Assam. Not, of course, because sometimes people not know so much about us. Let's say, so where all other than Guwahati people can visit? Are there some particular things in Assamese culture?
Okay, yeah. I would love to. So people who are not from Assam here, I would say that Assam is a peace-loving state, and we are in the northeast part. So it's, I think you have heard of Shillong. It's near to Shillong. Most of the people go for the hill stations to Shillong. So it's very near to Shillong. It's just 3 hours. And there are lots of places you can visit here. I would say Sipsagar, Jorhat. There's my born place, मेरा जो गांव है जहाँ पापा के, जहाँ पे मैं जन्म हुई थी, but I'm brought up in Guwahati, but that's Nalbari, where there's a festival called Ras. जो रास होता है ना, रास महोत्सव कृष्ण राधा का. That's one of the biggest festivals in November. So you can come and see that festival.
November is a good time.
Yeah. And the most big festival is Bihu.
Okay.
Of Assamese culture. So Bihu, it's in the time of April.
Okay.
So there are a lot of functions here, like every nook and corner of the city, the whole of the state is, like for 4 to 5 days, there are programs of music, dance, food. So that's one of the most,
Ap-
I think,
April,
good time.
April in Bihu is a very good time to come.
Yeah, yeah. So, and there are a lot of places
And
to cover.
weather-wise, how's generally?
Yeah, weather-wise, actually, we were very blessed before because Assam is a very cool. I said कि पीस जो है ना वो मतलब लोगों में ही नहीं है, वेदर में भी पीस था पहले, बट अभी ग्लोबलाइजेशन की वजह से थोड़ा सा चेंजेस सभी जगह में आ गई है. Before, like if there used to be the sun for like 3 to 4 hours in a day, then evening it used to rain. थोड़ा सा तो बारिश होता ही था जहाँ पे पूरा प्लेजेंट हो जाता है. बट नाउ या you can't say because the weather is changing, but mostly it's very pleasant.
Very pleasant.
Yeah, till now it's pleasant. Hopefully summers इस साल भी अच्छा होगा.
So I'm sure आपकी बात सुन के बहुत लोग असम आएंगे, and I'm
हाँ,
sure.
और
So,
लोग भी बहुत अच्छे हैं यहाँ पे. काफी फ्रेंडली है, काफी सॉफ्ट स्पोकन है, I would say, and काफी ब्रॉड माइंडेड भी है.
not my, no, I think are known to be very positive, very kind, and very literate people, I think, and very cultured.
Yeah. They're very cultured, yeah.
So we wish you all the best, I think, on your career, on your love for dance, acting, on your married life. And we wish you the best. And keep ordering biryani by kilo. You can order from biryani
Thank you so much. And I wish you also like great success. Biryani by kilo सभी जगह पे हो, India के और abroad भी पूरा, lots of success from my end too.
So much. Wish you the best. Thank you for coming.
Thank you. And I'll order soon. Bye.
Yes.
Yes.